Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Notion to document your child's development milestones. This is your full 2025 guide designed to keep you ahead of your child's growth and achievements. First things first, you'll want to create a new page on Notion. Simply click on the plus New Page button, which is usually located on the left-hand side of your Notion workspace. The reason we do this is to dedicate a separate page for your child's milestones, keeping everything neatly organized and easily accessible. Now that we've done that, you'll want to add a table on this page. Click the plus Add a Block button and select Table from the drop-down menu. This helps us because a table provides a clear, structured format in which we can record and track milestones. Next up, we're going to customize this table to suit our needs. You'll want columns for the date, the milestone, and any additional notes you may wish to include. To add a column, simply click the plus Add a Column button on the right side of the table. This is crucial because it allows us to document each milestone in a detailed chronological order, providing a comprehensive overview of your child's development. Now, you're ready to start adding entries to your table. Let's say your child took their first step today. Simply click the plus Add a New Entry button, then fill in the date and the milestone. In the notes section, you could add details about the event, maybe even a link to a video or photo. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. You're creating a dynamic, interactive record of your child's growth that you can reference and update easily. Lastly, remember to regularly update this page. Notion's mobile app makes it easy to add new milestones as they happen, regardless of where you are. The reason we do this is to ensure that the document remains a living, breathing record of your child's progress. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've created a simple yet effective way of documenting your child's developmental milestones using Notion. Remember, this isn't just a record for you. It's a wonderful keepsake that your child can look back on in the future. Thanks for joining us today. Keep exploring, keep learning, and see you next time.